Friends, first I will discuss about the answer of the jumble, then detail about model, and I will give you homework. I have given you three jumbles. So write the answer of jumble. First, platinum is truly a remarkable metal. Platinum is truly a remarkable metal. Second, platinum is one of the rarest metals on the earth. Platinum is one of the rarest metals on the earth. And third, it is a chemical element with symbol Pt. It is a chemical element with symbol Pt. Now we will study about modal, and next is should. Should is given to you. As we know very well, and I have already told you, in narration you study shall and will change into should or would. He said that I should help you. Here should is given in when you do from direct to indirect, then should is used instead of shall or will. Second, should, that is advice. It is used in advice. You should study 10 hours. You should study 10 hours during the lockdown. That means that you have sufficient times. So one advice is given to you that you spend more time in a study. So should is given. That is used as a advice and another way. Next is that C number, moral duty is also used for this one. Should is also. We should love our country. We should love our country. Next model is must. M-U-S-T, must. Must is also used in advice, but that is a strong advice. It is used in a strong advice and in the sense of a strong advice. In a strong advice, must is used. That means you must take medicine in time. That is related to compulsion, and for a strong determination also must is used. A strong determination. For a strong determination, must is a we must be honest. We must be honest. Next model is ought to. Ought to is also used in place of should, and generally instead of ought to, should is used. But in earlier, ought to is also used separately. So that is also used for advice, moral duty and such type of things. So moral duty is ought to is used for it. We ought to help poor. We ought to help poor, and that is shall and will is also that is given to you, and a type of model. We have studied this one in regarding future tense, so there is no need to study this one separately in model. I am going to give you error. Now write it. Many schools many schools used the playway method. The playway method. The playway method. In B, you write at the early years. At the early years. In B, you write at the early years. As children grow older, a number of play hours in the timetable in D number, you write in the timetable started falling rapidly. You will do this error in your copy, and next day I will discuss answer of this one. Thanks you. Have a nice day.